Very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn or discuss the topic reproductive health. Okay. So, what is meant by reproductive health? The total well-being in all aspects of the reproduction. So, that is to be reproductive health, such as the ability to reproduce, regulate the fertility, women's pregnancy, safe childbirth, maternal and infant survival well-being. So these are totally well-being means that is to be reproductive health. So there are several measures undertaken by the government to improve the reproductive health. Okay. So the government launching, there are two types. One is NHP and RHC. NHP and RCH. So what is stand for NHP, National Health Program. National Health Program. Then RCH, so Reproductive Child Health Care Program. Reproductive Child Health Care Program. Okay, RCH, NHP. Okay, so these are launched by the government. Okay, then family welfare programs. So family welfare programs, so main functions, the maternal and the child health care, first one is. Then next, the immunization of mothers and infants and children. Mother, infants and children. Okay. The next one is the nutritional supplement to pregnant women as well as the child. Okay. The next one is motivate the couples to accept the contraceptive method. So what is meant by contraceptive method? So that is nothing but family planning programs. Okay. Then RCH. Next is the RCH. RCH means Reproductive Child Health Care Program. Okay. So this is the what are the main functions of the RCH? First one is the pregnancy and the childbirth. Okay. So this is the first one. Then the postnatal care of the child and the mothers. Okay. Postnatal means the pregnancy or before the delivery of the baby. Okay. So postnatal care. Then next one is the importance of the breastfeeding. Okay. So what is the importance of the breastfeeding? And next one is the prevention and the reproductive tract infections and STD. What is meant by STD? It is a sexual contact diseases. Okay, STD. Then next one is the population explosion. Population explosions. So nowadays the population will be increased day by day, isn't it? So India is the first country in the world to accept the family planning programs in the year 1952. In the year 1952, India will accept the family planning programs. And what is meant by population explosion first? So the sudden accelerations are the sudden or rapid rise of the populations or the increase the size of populations very what is called suddenly. So that is to be population explosions. Can you understand what is meant by population explosion? The sudden accelerations of the populations are the rapid size of the populations, that is to be population explosions. And the WHO What is WHO? The World Health Organization. World Health Organization. WHO. Okay, World Health Organization also stressed the importance of the family planning programs. So family planning programs. So the WHO represented the simple, the inverted triangle. So this is the symbol of family planning program. Family planning program. Okay. Then, so this simple displayed. Which one is? It is done by the what is called that. So the family planning programs done by the free of cost. Nowadays it will be implemented by the government, isn't it? So this is the simple displayed. The small family, happy family. So this is the slogans. For this is represent the slogan small family, happy family. Okay. Then next we'll see the contraceptions. So next we'll see the contraceptions. Okay. So what is meant by contraceptions? So this is one of the measures to control the populations. Okay. So the technique have been developed to prevent the pregnancy of women. Okay. It will prevent the pregnancy in women. So the device used for the contraceptions, that is known as contraceptive device. Contraceptive device. Okay. So the device used for contraceptions, that is known as contraceptive device. So the contraceptives are classified into the four types. Okay. So there are four methods used in the contraceptions. The first one is the barrier method. Then hormonal method, then IUD, and the last one is surgical method. Okay, so what are the methods used for contraception? First one is barrier method, hormonal method, then the IUDs and surgical method. Okay. So let us see one by one. First we will see the barrier method. So barrier method, there are two ways. One is condom and another one is the what is called the diaphragm or cervical cap. Diaphragm or cervical cap. Okay, so these are used in the barrier method. Okay. So first we'll see the condoms. So this is made up of latex. Okay, latex, very thin light structures made up of a rubber. Okay. So this is used for against the sexual contact diseases like the STD, syphilis, AIDS, etc. Okay. Then diaphragm. So diaphragm is otherwise known as the cervical cap. This is also prevent the fertility of the women. Okay. So diaphragm also fitting in the what is called the vagina of the female. Vagina of the female, and it will prevent the entry of sperm. Okay. So this is the cervical cap. So these two ways are used in the barrier method. Okay. The next one is the hormonal method. So hormonal method means so it will prevent the entry of sperm by the what is called the tablet or any other the medicines. Okay, so this is a hormonal methods. So this what is called that it will stop the production of the what is called that it will stop the production of the ovum. Okay, so it will restrict or destroy the ovum. Okay, so this is the hormonal method. Then IUDs. IUDs means intrauterine device. So intrauterine device. Okay, intrauterine device. So here the two synthetic device used. Okay, commonly in India, one is what is called that. So lipos loop, and another one is copper. Okay, one is a lipos loop and another one is copper T. So this is used for to prevent the what is the IUDs. Okay, so a pregnancy of a period up to 3 years. It will prevent the period of pregnancy for 3 years. Okay, so this is also help to the adequate time intervals between the pregnancy one to another, isn't it? So this is the IUDs. Okay, next one is the surgical method. So in surgical there are two types. One is vasectomy and the tuberctomy. Okay, so vasectomy, what is meant by vasectomy? So this is the permanent control, permanent birth control in male. Vasectomy is done in male. So the tuberctomy in female. Okay, so vasectomy, it is the permanent birth control in a male. So what is done here? One is the vasa difference. So you know the vasa difference. So this vasa difference are cut. Okay, here cut, and so this is the ligated. Okay, here the ligated. Ligated means a pasted. Okay, so it will stop the entry of sperm. Okay, entry of sperm. Then tuberctomy. So tuberctomy in female. So here vasa difference here cut and ligated. Isn't it? Same likewise the fallopian tube in female. So this is the fallopian tube here. So cut and ligated. So ligated, and here the production of ovum does not enter into the uterus. Okay, so this is the permanent birth control in female. So that is said to be tuberctomy. Okay, then so these are the methods of contraceptions. Okay, so what are the methods? One is barrier, hormonal, IUDs, and surgical method. Okay. Okay, next one is the UTI. So UTI stands for urinary tract infection. So urinary tract infections. So the disease occurs in female than male. So severely affected the female only. Okay. So what are the types of UTI? First one is what are the types? Totally 3 types. Okay. One is the bladder infection. So one is the bladder infection. The next one is the kidney infection. Then last one is asymptomatic infection. So what are they? First one is urinary bladder infection, a kidney infection, asymptomatic infections. So the bacteria, first bladder infections. Okay. So the bacteria, it will affect the urinary bladder, that leads to the inflammation of the urinary bladder. Okay, so that is known as bladder infection. Okay, urinary bladder infections. Then kidney infections means the kidney infections. Okay, kidney infection. So the bacteria can travel the urinary bladder. Okay, so can travel the urinary bladder and it will affect the kidney. Okay, urinary bladder. Then it will affect the kidney. Then it enter into the blood. Okay, enter into the blood. Then that leads to death. Okay, so this is known as kidney infection. Okay, so kidney infections, the urinary bladder, what is called the ureter. Okay, transferred to the kidney. Then the kidney is transferred to the blood. Then that leads to a death. Okay, so this is the kidney infections. Next one is asymptomatic infections are asymptomatic bacteria. So what is stand for asymptomatic? A means absence. Symptomatic means symptom. So the bacteria present in the urinary bladder without the symptom. Okay, so the bacteria present in the urinary bladder, but there is no symptom. Okay, of course there is no symptom. So that is known as asymptomatic infection or asymptomatic bacteria. Okay, can you understand this three? So this is the UTI, urinary tract infections. Okay, so next we will see the personal hygienes. So what is meant by personal hygienes? So what is meant by hygiene first? So what is meant by hygiene? So keep the environment clean. Okay, so that is it will be hygiene. Okay, so based on this, the hygiene is classified into two types. So one is the personal hygiene and social hygiene. Personal hygiene and the social hygiene. So what is meant by personal? So personal hygiene means so the caring of the one whole body. Okay, so so keep the body cleaning. So that is to be personal hygiene. So caring of one own body health. That is to be personal hygiene. Okay, social hygiene means care of surrounding the environment. Social means total the social bodies, isn't it? So keep the surrounding care, that is said to be social. Okay, so the care of the surrounding environment, that is said to be social hygienes. Okay, then body hygiene. So personal, the body hygiene. So body hygiene means so here the washing is the vital role to all age groups. So whatever the activity doing means after that we are washing our hands, isn't it? So first the washing is the important to all age groups. So for example, we are taking a bath. Okay, so another one is a bath. Why we are taking bath? So because we are free from diseases, bacteria or germs and other organisms, so microorganisms, isn't it? At the same time, hair should be clean. So hair should be clean, otherwise it will make the dandruff or any other diseases. So frequently washing our hairs. Then the mouthwash. So we are washing our brushing our teeth regularly by twice a day, isn't it? But we are doing only one time, isn't it? Okay. Then next, hand wash. So hand wash is most important one, because it will transmit the diseases, easily spread the diseases, or the microorganism enter into the body by this hand. Okay. So this should be washed daily, and what is called that many times per a day. Okay, we have to wash our hand many times per a day. Okay. Next one is the cloth. We are using our dress, isn't it? That is totally said to be homemade. Okay. So cloth, kerchief, undergarments, socks should be washed daily. Should be washed daily, or otherwise it will cause some diseases. Okay. Then what is called that the parents. So first, the parents is the role model. So the parents should train or motivated how to use the toilet, how to use the other places or public places, how to behave itself. Likewise, this first the parent should motivate the students or encourage the students how to use it or how to behave in the socials. Okay. Then so we are using the articles. So that is a cloth, maybe a cloth, kerchief, or the inner garments. Like these are many articles we are using. So we are what is called that washing regularly or daily, or otherwise it will cause some diseases and the bad odor or some infections or some the skin rashes. Okay, skin rashes will be occurs. Okay, so these are the body hygienes. Okay, we have to keep the body clean. Okay, by using first one is washing, and next one is the mouthwash, then hand wash, then articles, using articles. Okay, so these are the personal hygienes. So the next one is the toilet hygienes. So toilet hygienes, it has a lot to do the personal hygienes. Normally we are doing the body hygienes. Here a lot to do with the toilet hygienes. So the parents practice to their children how to use the toilet in home or the school or anywhere or in public places. Likewise this. Okay. So the parents should practice their children. Then so it will protect the children from the infectious. So we are using the toilet. After that we are washing our hand, means it will be free from the diseases, or otherwise it will cause the diseases. Okay. Then what are the measures to be taken in the toilet hygiene? So first, the floor should be very clean and dry. The floor should be very clean and dry, because it will help to reduce the bad odor and the infections. Okay. Then the toilet things should be clean with the disinfectant. Okay. For example, we are using the knob, then faucet, candles, then the other switch of the light. Okay, switch on the light, when switch off the light, we have to the lot of microorganisms are attached in their places or articles, so it will cause some diseases. So we have to clean with disinfectants, so it will help to kill the germs. Okay. Then next, the hand wash. The hand should be washed thoroughly with soap. Okay. So after the using of the toilet, we have to wash our hand with soap. So this is also help the infections, kill the pathogens. Okay. So and we have to wash our hands after and before using of the toilets. Okay. Then next one is the menstrual napkin hygiene. So menstrual napkin hygiene. So this is according to the women health. Okay, the women health depends upon the level and the cleanliness. Okay, so the only depends on the women's health. So first one is the menstrual hygiene. First one, the sanitary pads should be changed regularly. So this is also avoid from the infections, used for avoiding from infections. Then next one is the use warm water. So always you use warm water to clean the genitalia. Okay. So and the wearing the loose cloth than the light cloths. Okay, only wearing the loose cloths. Okay, so these are the menstrual hygienes. Then napkin hygienes. So sanitary pads should be wrapped properly and discarded. Okay, so this is also spread the diseases. We are thrown in open places means that also produce some diseases. Okay, so then next one is sanitary pad should be flushed down in the toilets. Okay, flush down in the toilet. Is it correct? No, should not flush down in the toilet. So sanitary pad should not flush down in the toilet. Okay. Then the disposal of the use of napkins. How to dispose the napkins? By the incinerations. Used napkin should be removed by incinerations. What is meant by incineration? So incineration means the flaming. Okay, burning. Okay, so these are the napkin hygienes. So we have to maintain. So these are all hygienes and the reproductive health. Okay, can you understand? Okay, students. Thank you very much.